the other thing that surprised me was that when they opened it up, the lithium battery that they said was dangerous also it was just a pouch. It was a weird look. I never expected it to look like that, but it just looked like a little black plastic pouch. So strange. He's got to say to you anyway. Hi, how are you? Yeah, I'm just wary of moto taxi guys after burning my lower leg very badly a few years back. Actually, it seems to have healed up well though. I think the scar's pretty well gone, which I'm absolutely amazed at. Yeah. Oh, look at the sea of traffic. Wow. It's got worse. Okay. I've got a motorbike to shield me here, so that's good. Here we go. I used this technique last time. Oh, I've got too many cars coming up here, don't like this. Okay, that worked. You put your hand up and... Sorry. Oh, they shielded me again. Great. Fantastic. That wasn't so bad. Oh. Leave the madness. This looks a lot more genteel. Yeah, because that worked to my advantage, the chaos here, because there was a motorbike wanting to cross paths with the ongoing traffic, so it worked to my advantage. So it's good. Yeah, so it's a bit of a blow financially, and my delicately worked out budget is going to take a little bit of a hit from that. Looks like I'll be up for about 250 bucks if I go the way of getting the new battery. I mean, it could be a con, but again, the battery does need to be replaced. The only problem is that the laptop's not a spring chicken and it won't last forever. So I don't know if I'm throwing good money after bad with the whole thing. I guess what I'll have to do is delay purchase of a new laptop until I go on another trip, I think, because I want to get a desktop computer from the place I bought all my computers, which Centrecom based in Melbourne, and even with the shipping it's only got 40 bucks or so, $45 to have the unit sent to Cairns, and it's so much cheaper than what they're charging locally in Cairns. They're going to miss out on a sale because the cost of living in a lot of things is cheap in Cairns, but when you want to buy that sort of stuff, you're best to get it from a major distributor and just pay the postage. You're better off that way. That's how I found it in Cairns. So, it's nice to explore the other areas. It's so much to see. Gee, it's a lot less chaotic here, just one block in and fairly genteel. Yeah, that moto taxi guy was really nice. It sort of smiled when he said, you know, moto taxi, and he was smiled back and actually happy to have his picture taken on the GoPro. So that was a good attitude. You know, the people here are very pragmatic. They do like people who smile too. You're a sour pussy, don't go as far. In Vietnam, it's something you should always do. I always feel happier here anyway. I wasn't so happy in the morning because I'd spent yesterday pretty well confined to quarters. Wasn't feeling great all day, and when you're overseas it feels pretty bad when you don't go out at all. Actually, I think I've been fairly conservative with my finances, and you know, I use a combination of cash and credit card. So we'll see. I've always got the credit card as a backup if the cash runs out a bit, which it may do. But I think I've provisioned enough for myself, going on past experience. Oh, that's good. Street repairs. tell you what, a cold drink would go down well. Looking forward to some chilly mineral water. It'll be very good. Actually, I've got to look for some soap powder too. Right, this is a place here might have it. I don't know. Keep an eye out for that. Millions of these convenience stores, but the one nearby hasn't got that good a stock. Now, I don't know if this mob's going to be it. Doesn't look that big. You think I need a walking stick? I don't know what it's on about. Old guy with a walking stick held it up to him. Oh, I think he wanted his photo taken. Oh, God, I'm slow on the uptake. There's a dog. Yappy dog. Yappy dog is not yapping. The best type of yappy dogs. I've lost my way again. See, look, this is just by the river, Saigon River, and there's this big building here. And from this angle, I couldn't see Vietmobile Tower, which is my usual landmark. But over there, just to the left, it is. So I know I'm in the right area. But I was disorientated. I'm only a block away from where I'm staying, so easy to get lost. A lot of these streets look the same to me, but you can see there's big buildings going up over the other side of the road there. So I'll just go off to the left here and I should be pretty well back home. But I wouldn't have known that before. I sort of thought I was way off the beaten track. So there you go, look at that big construction happening. Yeah, they've been being built for some time, those places. I'm watching their progress. I'm not quite sure which side of the hotel I'm on here, but I'm very close. I'm about a block away. So it's very attractive along here. Oh boy. I am hanging out for that cold mineral water. That'll be really good. It's funny, psychologically, it seems a lot shorter getting back than getting there. I don't know why that is. Probably the morning sun didn't help. Oh, hopefully I lost a little bit of weight with this little foray into laptop repair land. I might just check out the prices of laptop batteries to see how much I'm getting charged. It seems pretty high, but you know, if it's a matter of safety, it's a good sales pitch. Okay, now I'm going to try to resurrect my dead SIM card. I don't know if it's going to work, but apparently Circle K store down the road is the place to try it, so we'll give it a go. Otherwise I'll go back to the woman I know that can sell them about, I think it's about 80 or something, 80,000 dong. It wasn't bad, so I'll go and try that if otherwise. Just see. I'm going to be without the laptop for 2 days. That will be interesting. A bit worried what they'll come up with. I was hoping it'd be a simple problem, but it doesn't look like it. And I looked up battery prices, and what they're charging is certainly on the high side, so I don't know. So sensibly I probably should get the new battery. It depends which model. The prices vary so much for laptop batteries depending which model you've got. But what I've seen, most of them are under $100 though, so they're charging a bit above what you charge in Australia, well, things, but of course labour's cheap here. Oh, well, that's alright, at least I got my 50,000 back. And I'll go and buy him a SIM card from the usual lady. I just couldn't find it. I know it is around here somewhere, but his directions were so vague, they were useless. So I just got to go where I usually go. I was lulled into this false sense of security because I think it returned to Vietnam within about a 3-month period, and the card was still active. But they must drop off after about 3-4 months, maybe 6 months. And they just become inactive. It's a shame. If they lasted a year, this wouldn't be a hassle. I just keep topping it up all the time, but unfortunately they don't last that long. So it's pretty silly that you can't keep using the same SIM card, but that's the way it is.
That was my first Pho Bo of the trip. And as you can hear, there's a bit of construction happening across the road. I feel sorry for the woman working here, or the women working here. Could be mother and daughter, tell you, I'm not sure. But yeah, I was actually got my new SIM card and basically using Google Translate so I could ask for tea with my my Pho Bo. That's good. It's all working out well. But yeah, those jackhammers are going full on. Shame. Can't do much about it, right?
Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.